You know, I remember my father telling me at one point, and he was so right, you know, because for many years, especially right after the Holocaust, when of course, you know, half of Europe, Jews were killed, people said Yiddish is dead. Because obviously it was a dying language. You know, half the population who were speaking it were gone, and there was no real, you know, interest in it. My father said, it'll never die. There are too many great writers, like Sholem Aleichem, like Peretz, like Chaim Nachman Bialik, like Leivik, and those people are going to be remembered long after the people who said it was dying language are gone. And of course, now I sometimes read that half of the universities in America now have courses in Yiddish. So my father was right.